Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the history panel within the General Examination Form Physical Examination Panel. History is a record of patients' health, past illnesses, medical conditions, and treatments they have received or undergone. The history panel typically includes information about the patient's personal medical background, family medical history, and any current symptoms or complaints. Having a patient's history is important for practitioners and other healthcare providers in diagnosing and treating medical conditions, and can be beneficial to help identify potential risk factors for certain diseases and conditions. In today's video, we shall start on a history panel. The history panel can be found under the Physical Examination Panel. Click on the history panel to expand. The history panel consists out of three different subpanels: the Allergies subpanel, the General History subpanel, the Vaccination subpanel. First, we shall go over the Allergies subpanel. Allergies is anything that the patient's body is not responding well to. The patient might get a rash or their throat is closing when the patient intakes a specific food, medicine, or substance. For more information regarding the Allergies subpanel, please refer to the Allergies user manual linked in this video's description. Next, we shall go over the General History subpanel. The General History panel will contain information about the patient's daily health issues and factors which can have a direct impact on the patient's health and condition. For more information regarding the General History subpanel, please refer to the General History user manual linked in this video's description. Next, we shall discuss the Vaccinations subpanel. Within the subpanel, all the vaccinations of the patient can be added for future reference. For more information regarding the Vaccination subpanel, please refer to the Vaccinations user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to exit the screen and return to the clinical case screen. Click on the Save and Close drop-up menu to see more saving options available. Click on the Save button to save all changes made. Click on the Save Lines to New Macro button to create a new macro. For more information on how to save lines to a new macro, please refer to the Macros Billing Combinations user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Save and Close button to save the information entered into the screen and return to the data screen.